Hi, it's Dan from IDS. Just a short video showing our Spectral Analysis app for iOS, which has just been released. I'm going to use this to connect my Go Direct SpectroVis Plus via Bluetooth to my iPad. This feature will be available shortly for PCs, Macs and Chromebooks. First of all, I need to switch on my Go Direct SpectroVis Plus with the button on the front. This will turn on the green power LED and the blue Bluetooth LED will start flashing. I now need to connect my spectrometer to the app. So at the bottom, there's an orange box that says Connect a Spectrometer. Tap it. It will then scan for all the spectrometers in the room. It brings up the serial number of the spectrometer, which is on the front of the spectrometer, and I click Connect to the one I want to connect to. When I've connected, I click Done. The spectrometer is now connected to the iPad. Now I need to decide what experiment I want to do. Do I want to do absorbance versus wavelength, absorbance versus concentration, or absorbance versus time? Today I'm going to do a Beer's law experiment of determining the concentration of an unknown solution. So it's absorbance versus concentration. So tap that. The video. I now need to wait 60 seconds for the LED to warm up. I'm going to stop the video and come back in 60 seconds. Now I need to press finish the calibration after inserting a blank cuvette. So I'm going to put a blank cuvette inside and press finish calibration. Now I need to take the blank cuvette out. I no longer need that. And I want to put in the strongest coloured solution that we have into the spectrometer. I need to tap the graph to get the wavelength with the highest absorbance reading, which in this case is 630 nanometers. When I'm happy, I click Done. I'm now ready to begin my experiment, so I need to first change the concentration reading from milligrams per litre to percentage. So I click on the three dots next to concentration and tap column options and just change the units from moles per litre to percentage. There we go. Now I can begin, so I press collect. We have currently got the 100% concentration solution inside the spectrometer. So I'm now happy the reading has stabilised in the bottom right hand corner. I'm going to press keep. Enter the value of the concentration, which is 100%. And I remove that cuvette from the spectrometer. I'm now going to put in the 75% solution. Allow the reading to stabilise. Press keep. And enter 75. Now remove the 75% solution. And insert the 50% solution. Allowing the readings to stabilise again. Press keep. Enter 50%. I will repeat the process again for 25%. I'm going to remove the cuvette for 25% solution and then press stop on the experiment. There you can see we've got a nice set of results which are in a pretty linear correlation. I'm now going to do a curve fit on the data by pressing the button on the bottom left hand corner of the iPad. I apply a curve fit, linear, and then click apply. Just move that down. You can see there that we've got a correlation value of 0.997, which shows the data pretty much is all on the line. I'm happy with that. We are now going to determine the concentration of an unknown solution. Here's one I made earlier. I've labelled it B. As we can see from the bottom right hand side, the absorbance reading is 0.451-ish. I now need to turn on interpolation of the line we fitted and now locate that value at 0.451. I've located as near as I can get, and this is showing that the percentage concentration in this solution is 56%. I'm just going to go and get an envelope with the reading on to confirm this. I've got the envelope that contains a value that my colleague made up. If I open it, the answer is B is 56%. So I'm quite happy that I can confirm that the solution B has 56% concentration in it. Thanks for watching. Any more questions, please get in touch. Bye.